Just got a brand new MacBook? Hold on. Don't just blindly click Next through the setup. You're about to learn how to activate and configure it like a true pro. I'll walk you through it step by step, and we'll get it done in just 3 minutes. Let's get started. When you first see that iconic Hello screen, the first thing you'll do is select your language and region. Choose your region carefully, because this decision affects your App Store content and even your keyboard layout. Next, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for the next steps. Now sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have one, create one now. A quick tip: make sure you use a strong, unique password and definitely enable two-factor authentication. It's an extra layer of security that's totally worth it. Okay, once you're on the desktop, the very first thing you should do, before anything else, is check for updates. Open up System Settings, go to General, and then click on Software Update. Installing the latest macOS version ensures you have all the newest features, performance improvements, and, most importantly, critical security fixes. Keeping your Mac updated is the easiest way to keep it running smoothly and protect it from potential threats. Now, let's lock down your privacy. Head back into System Settings and find the Privacy and Security section. I personally recommend scrolling down and turning off Share Mac Analytics. This stops your Mac from sending usage data back to Apple. While you're here, make sure File Vault is turned on. This encrypts your entire hard drive, meaning if your MacBook is ever lost or stolen, your personal files will be unreadable and completely safe. It's a non-negotiable for privacy. Let's move on to the fun part: performance and customization. Go back to System Settings and look for Dock and Menu Bar. You can customize which apps appear in your dock for a cleaner, more efficient workspace. While you're there, explore the Control Center settings and enable Hot Corners. They're a game changer for multitasking. Also, go into the trackpad settings and familiarize yourself with the gestures. They will make navigating macOS incredibly fast. Here's a bonus tip. In the Control Center settings, add the battery percentage to your menu bar. You'll thank me later. And there you have it. Congratulations, your new MacBook is now fully activated, secure, and optimized, just like a pro's. You're all set to be more productive and creative. If you want to discover even more hidden Mac tricks and advanced tips to make your machine unstoppable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Mac.